Okay, I know I just did a video on these guys with the water. So I'm going to look at the same wine glass versus a smaller glass. The bells on these are way different. The openings on them are about the same, but the depth of their glass is different. Also, the width of their glass is different, and then the stems are different. So I'm gonna see if I put half a cup of water, making a big mess, in both, what will be the sound that they make, and will they make the same pitch? So will their sounds sound the same? So if I bring this one up, they're about the same as far as the amount of water that they fill up. So I'm going to switch hands. Let's see. All right, so the little glass. Fairly high pitched. The taller glass. Ooh, lower pitch. So there we go. The bell of the glass will definitely affect the pitch of the glass. So there you go, band nerds. I say that as a fellow band nerd.